Difference between Executive Information System and Traditional Information System. What is Executive Information System? Described as a system that assists senior executives in making policy decisions. For decision-making, this system makes use of high-level data, analytical models, and user-friendly software. It is a structured, automated tracking system that keeps everything under control. It offers the ability to report status and exceptions. Advantages of Executive Information System. It is easy to use. It provides the ability to analyze the trends. It supports effective time management. It improves overall efficiency. It enhances business problem solving. Disadvantages of Executive Information System. Its functions are limited. It is difficult to keep current data. The system can run slow. It is less reliable. What is Traditional Information System? Traditional information systems were designed with different departments and functions in mind. Since these departments do not communicate with one another, information cannot be automatically shared. It may be difficult for managers to compile the data they require to manage the operations. Advantages of Traditional Information System. A formal review at the end of each phase allows maximum management control. This approach generates considerable system documentation. Formal documentation ensures that system requirements can be traced back to stated business needs. It produces many intermediate products that can be reviewed to determine whether they meet the user's needs and adhere to the required standards. Disadvantages of Traditional Information System. Users receive a system that meets their needs as perceived by the developers, which may differ from what they genuinely require. Documentation is costly. It's time-consuming. Users cannot easily review and evaluate intermediate products based on their requirements. Difference between Executive Information System and Traditional Information System. Executive Information System is handled by the top level of management, whereas the Traditional Information System is handled by lower staff. In Executive Information System, information is provided by online tools and analysis, while in the Traditional Information System, information is provided by offline status reporting. In Executive Information System, information comes in the form of text with graphics, whereas in the Traditional Information System, information comes in the form of a table. The sources of information in Executive Information System are more external and less internal, whereas in the Traditional Information System, the sources of information are internal. Executive Information System provides text-based information with graphics, while Traditional Information Systems use tables. Executive Information System is more user-friendly, whereas Traditional Information Systems is less user-friendly.